another bite. Homemade happiness, golden on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. And today, we're making the kind of snack that disappears before the tea cools down. I will be using 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour, approximately 8 cups, using a 236 milliliter measuring cup. Step 1. For the best and most accurate results, please avoid scooping flour directly using the measuring cup itself. Instead, use another cup or spoon to gently scoop the flour into the measuring cup, little by little. Then level the top using the back of a knife or a flat spoon. This small step makes a very big difference. When flour is scooped directly with the measuring cup, it becomes tightly packed, and without realizing it, you end up adding too much flour to the recipe. That extra flour can make your dough heavy, dry, and less fluffy. But properly measured flour gives you softer Mandazi, a lighter inside texture, better puffing, and more consistent results every single time. The same measuring method also applies to your baking powder, baking soda, butter, sugar, and salt. Please level your measuring spoons properly instead of using heaped spoonfuls. Don't forget to sieve your flour. Then add sugar, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, and lemon zest. The baking soda is important. This is the secret. It reacts instantly with the hot oil later, forcing the outside to crisp up and crack beautifully outside. Please check the detailed ingredients in the description box below. Step 2. Now add your butter or margarine. Rub it gently into the flour until the mixture looks slightly crumbly. This step helps create softness inside, while still allowing the outside to become lightly crisp during frying. This is just one of the many ways to prepare this recipe. And then add eggs. Continue rubbing with your hands. Step 3. Slowly add cold milk or water. Do not pour everything at once. You want a soft dough, not sticky, not too hard. If your dough feels too soft or dry, don't panic. Every kitchen measures flour differently. That's why homemade snacks always tastes more alive than factory snacks. Knead for about 5 minutes until smooth. At this stage, add any oil of your choice and continue kneading for about 2 more minutes. Do not over-knead it, or your half cakes will become tough instead of cake-like. Step 4. As we prepare our next step, let the dough rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Cover with a kitchen towel. This allows the flour to fully hydrate and gives you softer Mandazi. Take your time, step by step. Even if you feel it is not perfect, it's okay, don't panic. This is just a homemade snack. We are here to learn. Step 5. Spread some flour on your kneading space. Then transfer the dough and start rolling the it out to a thick 1-inch sheet. If you roll it too thin, you will lose that gorgeous cake interior. Cut them into thick rectangles, classic triangles, or the shape of your choice. This is the stage where homemade Mandazi starts looking like bakery Mandazi. Step 6. Heat your oil on medium heat. To make sure your oil is perfectly hot for frying, dip a clean, dry wooden stick or spoon straight into the oil. If tiny bubbles stream steadily around the wood, your oil is perfectly hot. No bubbles mean it's too cold, and a violent splattering means it's too hot. Or drop a tiny piece of your dough into the oil. If it sinks for a second and then floats to the top, sizzling, you are good to go. If it burns instantly, the oil is too hot. If the oil is too hot, the outside cooks too fast, while the inside stays raw. If it's too cold, the Mandazi absorbs excess oil. Now, after making sure our oil is okay, fry until they split open and turn a deep golden brown, crunchy on the outside, dense and cakey on the inside. Please avoid overcrowding the pan. Too many pieces lower the oil temperature and increase oil absorption. Now honestly, Mandazi is comfort food. It's the kind of snack that brings people together around hot tea, conversations, and quiet evenings. But like many fried snacks, balance is important. Eating large amounts too often can mean taking in extra oil, extra sugar, and more calories than the body really needs. And sometimes homemade snacks feel lighter, so we forget how easy it is to keep reaching for one more piece. The good thing about making Mandazi at home is that you control the ingredients yourself. You control the sugar, the oil, the freshness, and the cooking method. Small choices can make a big difference. Using moderate heat while frying helps reduce excess oil absorption. Measuring ingredients properly creates softer dough that doesn't become too oily. And enjoying Mandazi together with tea, fruits, or balanced meals can help keep it as a treat instead of an everyday heavy snack. Because food should not only taste good, it should also make us feel good afterwards. And sometimes the best part of homemade cooking is not perfection. It's simply learning balance while still enjoying the foods we love. If you enjoyed this recipe, save it and try it in your own kitchen. Because honestly, good homemade food doesn't need complicated ingredients. Just simple steps and a little patience. Thank you for cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next recipe.